how to get God Helmet in Minecraft. So first, make sure that your cheats and commands are enabled, and to do that, you just simply need to click on Escape, click on Open LAN, make sure that Allow Cheats is turned on, and just simply click on Start LAN World. So once that's done, what you need to do now is just simply need to click on letter T on your keyboard to open up your command line and paste the command that I will put in the description of this video. So this command will only work for the versions of Minecraft that is 1.20.4 and older. So if you're not on this version of Minecraft, I suggest that you simply go to this old version first. So I'm currently on 1.20.4 and just paste the command that I've put in the description and click on enter. Once that's done, you will now get your God Helmet right here, which has the enchantment of thorns, respiration, protection, fire protection, blast protection, and Aqua Affinity. So if you're on older versions of Minecraft, you can have the level 1000, but since I'm on 1.7.4, it is only capped at level 255. Now I just basically equip it. Now as you can see, I now have the God Helmet right there.